So here's Goods Unite Us app. So GUU debate, politics, and shop. So here is the app. You can see that Americans inadvertently donate 3x more to politicians and PACs through their purchases than they donate on purpose. Let's change that. Goods Unite Us is a women-led Madison, Wisconsin-based company with a well-established track record of providing accurate data. Enter a company brand name and we'll tell you what we know about the political donations made by your organization. Enter a company and brand name. So yeah, that's just what it is. You just go in here and then you just search for the brand. For example, here is the brand, and then you can see donation distribution from that company. Campaign finance reform, combined contribution level, minimal. And yes, that's just how you can check it out. And then yeah, you can just search for it. Like, of course, there are some massive brands, and you can see donation distribution, 70% Democrat from Starbucks, campaign finance reform. The higher the score, the more likely that purchases from the company brand will lead to meaningful campaign finance reform. So a lot of basically you can just see which company donates to which party. So Google, so as you can see, 85% of employees donate to Democrat. So a lot of brands. You can just go through the alphabet just like that. And yeah, so that's the app. You can also just filter it out by party, by politicians. You can create your profile. You can also participate in the debates and commentary. So you can just go and sign in with Apple here. And then start, and then you can just rate yourself what you're using. So for example, which of the following is a cell phone provider? So you just select what are you using, and then where you buy health insurance from, which kind of car do you drive, where you buy your clothes. So here's what you can see. What do you owe money to, mortgage to? So where do you buy furniture? For example, where have you eaten in the last 3 months? Whatever. This is just as an example. Where do you buy gas? Where do you buy groceries? And then you can see the donation distribution in my case goes here. View a more detailed score report and get recommendation by clicking below. So then you can just decide which brands you want to use and which brand you want to continue, and then you can see where it goes, and yeah, so that's the idea. And then you can just correct that. So that's the app. You can see recently added brands. So here you can see some brands just do not donate significant amounts to politicians or PACs. So that's just what it is. Then they have blog. Then they have debate. And that's what it is. That's the